We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive expert overview of the ShyLizard Kids basketball hoop, designed for children aged 3 to 8 years old. This mini basketball hoop set includes a basketball backboard, 3 small basketballs, an inflatable pump, a rim, a net, a sturdy base, and other accessories. It is designed to be adjustable in height from 3.5 feet to 6.2 feet, accommodating children as they grow. This feature is particularly appreciated by many users as it allows the hoop to remain relevant and challenging over several years of a child's development. The assembly is reportedly straightforward, although some users have noted that the instructions could be clearer and that certain screws required force to fit properly. Despite this, most found the setup manageable with some patience. The materials used in the hoop are non-toxic and durable plastic, making it safe for children and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The base features a triangular design that enhances stability, and it can be further stabilized by adding water or sand. This stability is a key point for parents concerned about safety and the hoop tipping over during play. The product offers flexibility in installation, as it can be used as a freestanding hoop or mounted on a wall or door, which adds to its versatility in different play environments. Performance-wise, the hoop serves well as a fitness and developmental toy. It promotes physical activity, helping kids improve hand-eye coordination, muscle strength, and visual tracking skills. Many users have praised it for encouraging healthy play and basketball interest among young children. The inclusion of 3 basketballs is a thoughtful addition, allowing continuous play even if one ball rolls away. However, some customers have mentioned that the balls are smaller and made of cheaper plastic than expected, resembling bouncy balls rather than traditional basketballs in size and feel. Parents and gift givers have found this basketball hoop to be a popular choice for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. It fosters parent-child interaction and can be a social activity for kids to play with friends. The adjustable height feature is especially valued by families with multiple children of different ages. The hoop's compact size makes it suitable for smaller spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, as well as outdoor areas. On the downside, some users have expressed concerns about the hoop's sturdiness, describing it as somewhat flimsy and hoping it will last through active use. A few have reported minor cosmetic issues such as scratches on the plastic out of the box and missing parts like the needle for the pump, which impacted initial setup and inflation of the balls. These issues suggest some variability in quality control. Despite these drawbacks, many reviewers agree that for the price, the hoop offers good value and continues to be enjoyed by children. Overall, the ShyLizard Kids basketball hoop is a well-rounded product that delivers adjustable, engaging basketball play for young children. It supports physical development and social interaction while being easy to assemble and versatile in placement. While it may not be the most robust option on the market, it meets the needs of families looking for an affordable, fun, and growing basketball toy. We encourage viewers who own this product to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase this basketball hoop is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access to this popular kids toy.